In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot buyer intent. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to the marketing or sales dashboard where buyer intent is available. Make sure your account has access to this feature. Next, open the buyer intent tool. This is where HubSpot shows you companies that are actively showing interest in your website or services. After that, you'll see a list of suggested prospects. These are companies that match your ideal customer profile and are showing buying signals like website visits or engagement behavior. Now click on any suggested prospect to view more details. Here you can see company information, activity history, and intent signals to understand how strong the lead is. Next, you can add the prospect to your CRM or directly send them to a sales sequence for outreach. This helps you quickly turn warm leads into real opportunities. Finally, keep checking buyer intent regularly so you don't miss high-quality leads that are ready to convert. That's it. You can now use HubSpot buyer intent to find interested companies, prioritize leads, and improve your sales results. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.